Hey everyone, welcome back to LivedInReviews. If you're tired of cramming all your bathroom stuff onto one tiny shelf, or you're staring at a dated, beat-up vanity, wondering, is this the best I can do? Stick around. Today, we're taking a close look at the Bilroy 36-inch single bathroom vanity by Ebern Designs. And honestly, this one might be exactly what your small or mid-size bathroom has been begging for. Let's get into it. So right off the bat, this is a 36-inch single vanity, which makes it a great fit for smaller bathrooms, powder rooms, guest baths, basically anywhere you want a stylish upgrade without taking up a ton of space. It comes in a solid and engineered wood base, paired with a fluted front design that instantly gives it that modern, boutique hotel kind of feel. And the color options? Honestly impressive. We're talking black, white, light sage, taupe, vintage blue, vintage green, chestnut brown, and classic oak, all paired with brushed bronze hardware. So whether your bathroom style is moody and modern, soft and earthy, or warm and traditional, there's likely a colorway here that fits right in. Let's break down what you're actually getting with this vanity. The countertop. This vanity features an Arabescato engineered stone countertop with a straight-edge modern finish. If you're not familiar with Arabescato, think of that classic white and gray veined marble look, but in engineered stone, which means better durability and stain resistance compared to natural marble. It gives the whole piece a high-end, almost custom look without the custom price tag. The fluted design. That fluted detailing on the front isn't just decorative, it's one of those design choices that instantly elevates a piece. It catches the light differently depending on the angle, adds texture, and honestly makes this vanity look more expensive than it probably is. This is a huge trend in bathroom design right now. So if you're going for that current on-trend aesthetic, this checks the box. Storage. You get two soft close drawers, and soft close is key here. No more slamming drawers waking up the whole house at 6 a.m. The brushed bronze hardware on these drawers adds a nice contrast against most of the color options, giving it that subtle two-tone designer look. One smart design detail, there's a U-shaped drawer cutout to accommodate plumbing. A lot of vanities either skip storage near the plumbing entirely, or give you an awkward, unusable drawer. This design works around the pipes, so you still get functional storage where it usually goes to waste. The sink kit comes with an undermount ceramic sink in a rectangular shape, centrally located on the countertop. Undermount sinks are great because they create a seamless look. No rim catching crumbs, water, or grime. And they're easier to wipe down during cleanup. What's included versus what's not. Now here's something important to plan for. This set includes the cabinet, the countertop, the sink, and the cabinet handles. What it does not include is the drain assembly, faucet, mirror, P-trap, mounting bracket, or backsplash. So budget-wise, factor in those extras, especially the faucet. The brand actually recommends pairing it with an 8-inch widespread faucet to complete the look. So that's worth keeping in mind when you're planning your overall costs. Assembly. And here's a big one. It comes fully assembled. If you've ever dealt with flat pack bathroom furniture, you know this is a genuinely big deal. Less time fighting with instructions, more time actually using your new bathroom. Let's talk about what stands out as the strong points here. First, the design. The combination of the fluted front, the Arabescato stone top, and the brushed bronze hardware gives this vanity a designer look that punches above its price point. Second, the color selection is genuinely one of the widest we've seen for a single vanity. 8 different finishes means it's way more likely to match your existing bathroom palette, or whatever vision you have for a remodel. Third, soft close drawers and that U-shaped plumbing cutout show some real thoughtful design. These are the kinds of details that make daily use noticeably better. And finally, it ships fully assembled, which saves a ton of hassle and reduces the risk of something going wrong during a DIY build. Now, a few things to keep in mind before you buy. The most obvious one. This is a single vanity at 36 inches, so it's not going to work for households needing double sink setups or extra wide counter space. Second, remember that the faucet, drain assembly, P-trap, mounting bracket, mirror, and backsplash are all sold separately. So while the vanity itself might look like a complete package in photos, you'll want to budget for those add-ons to actually get it installed and looking finished. Lastly, engineered stone is durable, but like most stone countertops, you'll still want to use coasters or trays for things like perfumes or cleaning products to avoid potential staining over time. Just standard stone care practice, but worth mentioning. So who's this vanity perfect for? If you're working with a smaller bathroom or powder room and want something that feels custom and high-end without a custom price tag, this is a great fit. It's also ideal for anyone doing a full bathroom refresh who wants a modern, fluted aesthetic with a stone look countertop. And because of that huge color range, it's a great option if you're trying to match a specific design scheme. Whether that's a moody dark bathroom, a warm earthy palette, or a clean classic white look. If you need double sink functionality or a wider counter for a primary bathroom, you'll probably want to look at a larger model. But for guest bathrooms, powder rooms, or smaller primary baths, this hits a really nice sweet spot between style, function, and price. So that's the Bilroy 36-inch single bathroom vanity by Ebern Designs. Stylish, well thought out, and surprisingly versatile with that color lineup. If you found this review helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you're planning a bathroom upgrade and want more honest reviews like this one, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop a comment and let me know. Which color from this lineup would you pick for your bathroom? I'll see you in the next one.